Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Gramps Morgan of Grammy-winning group Morgan Heritage has been named as one of Nashville's most fascinating people in a recent publication of the Nashville Lifestyles magazine. The reggae artist will be featured in the October issue of the magazine alongside a number of other prominent individuals and organizations based on their contributions to Nashville in the United States and, by extension, the world. The list includes multi-platinum recording artist Taylor Swift, plus Luke Combs, NFL player Tennessee Titan, Derrick Henry, and others who have continued to put Nashville on the map. Gramps Morgan is a popular member of the Morgan Heritage family, having played an integral part in several top hits released by the reggae group. Now, Rolling Stones recently revised its list of the 500 greatest albums of all time. The compilation now includes 3 albums by legendary reggae group Bob Marley and the Wailers. The band, which includes singers Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Bunny Wailer, made the list with Legend, Exodus, and Catch a Fire. The album Legend sits in the number 48 spot. Legend features hits like I Shot the Sheriff, No Woman No Cry, and Redemption Song, while Exodus boasts songs like Jammin', Three Little Birds, and One Love. The updated list features 154 albums not previously included and sees Marvin Gaye's What's Going On in the pole position. The 500 greatest albums of all time is a recurring music ranking of the finest albums in history as compiled by the American magazine Rolling Stone. It is based on votes from selected musicians, critics, and industry figures.